Himalayas, the guard of our nation. The Himalayan mountain ranges are called the House of Snow. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the northwestern part of India to Arunachal Pradesh in the easternmost part of India. They further stretch to form a border between India and Myanmar. This part of the Himalayan ranges is known as Purvanchal Ranges. The following parts of our country lie in the Himalayan ranges: Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh in the northwestern part of the ranges, Uttarakhand and the northern part of West Bengal in the central part of the ranges, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim in the eastern part of the ranges, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya in the Purvanchal part. The Mount Everest of the Himalayan ranges is the highest peak in the world. It is 8,848 meters high. It lies in Nepal. The highest peak in India is the Mount Kanchenjunga, which is at the border between India and Nepal. The other high peaks are Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, Nanda Devi, etc. Focus. Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay of India were the first men to climb Mount Everest in 1953. In 2003, the 50th anniversary of the conquest of the Mount Everest was celebrated in Nepal in the presence of Sir Hillary. Ranges of the Himalayas. The Himalayan mountains consist of 3 ranges. They are as follows: the Great Himalayas, Himadri, the Middle Himalayas, Himachal, the Outer Himalayas, Shivalik. The Great Himalayas. This Great Himalayas is also known as Himadri. This is the highest range in the world and is always covered with snow. Slow-moving mass of ice called glaciers are found in this range. Rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Ravi originate from the Great Himalayas. Life is not possible in this region, so no plants grow and no animals live here. Focus. The Himalayas is the tallest and the youngest mountain range of the world. The Middle Himalayas. This Middle Himalayas is also known as Himachal. Many hill stations like Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, Nainital and Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, and Darjeeling in West Bengal lie on the lower slope of this range. Some religious places like Kedarnath and Badrinath also lie in this region. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forests of deodar and pine. Fruits like apples, pears, almonds and plums are found in the Middle Himalayas. Summers are pleasant, so many tourists visit this range in summers. The Outer Himalayas. This range, also known as the Shivalik range, is the lowest of all the 3 ranges. The region to the south of the Shivalik is called Terai. Most of this region lies in Uttarakhand. This region has long grasses and thick forests. These thick forests are the home of many wild animals like tigers, leopards, and elephants. The Corbett and Dudhwa National Parks are some of the famous national parks of India. The northeastern hills of this range are full of forests with teak trees. These hills include the Naga, Lushai, Garo, Khasi, and Jaintai hills. The climate in this region is hot and wet, so we find tea gardens. Focus. In Nepal, people called the Himalayas by the name Sagarmatha, that means the goddess of the universe. The Tibetans called it Chomolungma. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas protect us from the cold winds coming from north. Himalayas prevent the monsoon clouds from passing to the north, and this causes heavy rain in our country. Most of the important rivers originate from the Himalayas. These rivers flow through the northern plains and make them fertile. Many useful trees are found in the Himalayan forests. Tea gardens in the northeastern states are a rich source of tea. Forests provide home to the wildlife. Hill stations and holy places attract tourists in the Himalayan ranges. Focus. About 55% of the people of Jammu and Kashmir speak Kashmiri language. They write this language in Perso-Arabic script. Life in the Himalayan ranges. The Himalayas run from west to east along the northern border of our country. The mountains are covered with snow and the climate is cold. Here we shall discuss about the states lying in the Himalayan ranges. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is almost mountainous. It is called the paradise on the earth. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of this state. The famous Wular and Dal lakes are in Srinagar. We can find houseboats floating on these lakes. These houseboats are popularly known as shikaras. The climate of Kashmir is very cold, so people wear firans and salwars to keep themselves warm. They also keep kangri under their clothes. Kashmiri people grow paddy, maize, rajma, apples, peaches, cherries, walnuts and saffron. They drink a special tea with chosen spices called kahwa. Focus. Tenzing Norgay, the first person to climb Mount Everest along with Edmund Hillary, is said to have buried his daughter's red and blue pencils on the top of Mount Everest. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a land of eternal snow peaks. Shimla is its capital. The most famous rivers flowing in Himachal Pradesh are the Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. People of this state grow paddy, maize, barley, apples, pears, peaches, apricots and plums. People who rear sheep and goats are called gaddi. Men and women both wear pajamas and long shirts. Men wear famous Himachali caps. People mostly speak Hindi. Nati is the popular folk dance of the state. They celebrate festivals like Dussehra and Shivratri with great joy. Some famous hill stations of Himachal Pradesh are Shimla, Dalhousie, Dharamshala, Kullu and Manali. Jwalaji, Chamunda Devi and Naina Devi are famous holy places. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a region of hills and snow-capped mountains. Its capital is Dehradun. It includes high and middle ranges of the Himalayas, the Garhwal and Kumaon regions. People of the state are hardworking. They depend on agriculture and grow crops like wheat, paddy, maize, oilseed and sugarcane. The famous hill stations and tourist centers in this state are Nainital and Mussoorie. Badrinath, Kedarnath, Rishikesh, Haridwar and Gangotri are famous pilgrim centers. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a state with a relatively small population. Itanagar is the capital of the state. People are mostly tribals. Each tribe has its own dialect and customs. People grow paddy, maize, wheat and mustard in this state. Focus. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of the country and it witnesses the first sunrise. Sikkim. Sikkim lies in the eastern part of the Himalayan ranges. Gangtok is its capital. It is located between two countries, Nepal and Bhutan. The people of Sikkim belong to three main tribes, Bhutia, Lepcha and Nepali. People like to wear colorful dresses. They wear masks while dancing. They grow paddy, pulses, oranges, apples, cardamom and tea. Sikkim has the highest yield of cardamom in India. People of the state speak their own languages like Lepcha, Bhutia, Limbu and Newar, etc. There are many Buddhist monasteries in the state. Nagaland. Nagaland is full of hills and valleys. Kohima is the capital of this state. The people of Nagaland are called Naga. They are very brave and fine hunters. They wear clothes decorated with shells, beads, horns and ivory. Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. People speak Manipuri. The people of Manipur eat rice, dal, fish and vegetables. Handloom is the largest industry of the state. Manipuri people are fond of music and dance. Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. The people of the state are called Mizo. They are mostly Christians and are well educated. Mizos are vibrant people. They love to dance. The most colorful dance is Chiro, in which they use bamboo. Mizo people grow paddy and vegetables. Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. There are about 19 tribes in the state. Most people speak Bengali. The largest industry is handloom weaving. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital and famous hill station of Meghalaya. There are 3 tribes, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia in this state. People are mostly farmers. They eat rice and fish. They are fond of colorful clothes. Mawsynram, Cherrapunji is a place of the state that gets heaviest average rainfall. Focus. Molinong in Shillong, Meghalaya is the cleanest village of Asia. West Bengal, northern part. Besides the above-mentioned states, the northern part of West Bengal also lies in the Himalayan ranges. We shall study about the people of West Bengal in the next lesson.